And we're back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to combine basic shapes to create a logo in Adobe Illustrator. Under View we've got the Smart Guides and Snap to Point activated. I'll start with a black stroke and no fill color. Let us use the ellipse tool first. I'll hold Shift and then I align the circle. Now we use the Start tool and use your arrow keys up and down. Until you've got a triangle, hold Shift, align it to the center. Let me size it down a little bit. I'll hold Shift and Alt when I do so, and I'll use the arrow keys to reposition that. Make sure that your triangle is selected, then press Ctrl C and Ctrl F to copy it and place it in the front, then press A for the direct selection tool and reposition these anchor points. And also reposition the top one so that you can see that we've created a new triangle in the back. Select the one in the back, then again Ctrl C, Ctrl F, then right click, arrange and bring to front. So I've created another one on top, and now I'll press A for the direct selection tool and recreate these diagonal lines, and the Smart Guides to help us with that. We need another copy of the triangle, so the basic one, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, then press A, and this is the final anchor point that we need to move. Now select it all. Now be careful what you delete with the Shape Builder tool. You can hold Alt to do so. If you run into problems, just press Ctrl Z and undo your last steps. You need to have these overlaps. So go from the inside to the outside. It's the best practice for this logo design. Alright, this is the shape that we want to have. I'll increase the stroke weight up here. Well, let me try something like 12 points should be good. And you can see I've got a round cap, so go to Window, open the stroke menu. And you can change your cap over here. Now I'll change the stroke color. Then I activate the ellipse tool, go to the center, hold Shift and Alt. You can swap the colors here. And I use the arrow keys to reposition the circle. So this would be something that already works. Let me size it up, holding Shift and Alt. Then you can also select it all. Then go to Object and expand the appearance. Then use the Shape Builder tool again, connect everything except for the circle. And then you can either give the circle a white fill color, or you can delete that shape completely depending on what background you want to use it on. Select it all, right click group, and this is a good way to combine a circle and a triangle to create this completely new logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.